So we start with the first one. Solution, stock and data system. We prepare branch stock account. Now in branch stock account, we are bringing forth all balance brought down. This is the opening balance in stock. And then goods sent to branch, which is 40,000, which is here. And then when you go to the credit side, we have cash sales, which is 5,000, credit sales, 40,000 from the question, return outwards, which is return to the branch, to the head office, 1,000. Balance carried down is 25,000. This is the closing stock. Now, when you total this account, you'll get 71,000. So credit side is more than the debit side. So we are using credit side to balance the debit side. So our balance is called branch adjusted. Branch adjusted in the sense that goods were sent at cost plus. If it was at cost, we'll have gotten here a gross profit. So our value will have been gross profit. But because it is cost plus, then we have branch adjusted. After preparing branch stock account, we prepare branch adjusted account. Now in branch adjusted account, we have reserves. How do you get these amounts? Now like stock reserve opening, this is 20,000. You say 25 over 125 times 20,000 gives you 4,000. How did you get the stock reserve for 5,000? You say 25 over 125 times 25,000 gives you 5,000. Goods sent to branch, you go to goods sent, which is 40,000. Now you say 25 over 125 times 40,000 gives you 8,000. Now goods return. How did you get this? Goods return, you go to return outwards, 1,000. So you say 25 over 125 times 1,000 gives you 200. Now we were having a value here. This value, branch stock, 9,000 is this 9,000 here in the branch stock account. So you bring it down. Now balance the account. When you balance the account, you total. When you total, you realize the credit side is more than the debit side. So we use the credit side to balance the debit side. So the debit side will be 21,000 minus 5,200 gives us 15,800. So this is our value for gross profit. Next account, branch debtors account. Branch debtors account is accounting for all credit sales. So we have balance brought down, it was 4,000. And then we have credit sales, which was 40,000, which is here. And then you have cash, which is 35,000. Discount allowed, 2,000. This cash is from debtors. Bad debts is 100. So balance carried down, which it was not there. So from our question, we're not having balance carried down, which is the closing debtors. So when you prepare branch debtors account, it will be able to help you get the closing debtors, which is 8,700. Mission accomplished. We move to the next account, goods sent to branch account. Now in goods sent to branch account, we have balance brought down, which goods which was sent to branch was worth 40,000, and then return outwards 1,000. You balance the account, the debit side, the credit side is more than the debit side, so 40,000, 40,000, 40 minus 1,000 gives you 39,000. This is the amount which has been purchased. Now we come to the last account, which is branch profit and loss account. In the branch profit and loss account, we bring down the gross profits. And then the expenses. The one was rent, 1,000, followed by salary, 500, followed by discount allowed, 200, followed by bad debts, 1,100. Now, advertisement, 300. Now, 15,000. In our branch profit and loss account, you realize the credit side or the income side is more than the expense side. So what we get is the net profit worth 13,700. So this is the net profit which the business is making. That brings us to the end of the preparation and presentation of stock and debtors system. We move to the next one, which is now the final. Remember, the question requires us to prepare the stock and data system, then followed by data system. Now we are dealing with solution under data system. Now in data system, what is very important is that we said you prepare in the name of the account. Agra is the city where the branch is. In the books of Nairobi, the location of the company is in Nairobi. That is where the head office is positioned. Now, particulars in dollars. So balance per down, we have stock, which is what, 20,000, debtors 4,000, petty 200. So the total for assets is 24,200, and then goods sent is 40,000, which is here. Then branch expenses, when you total branch expenses, rent, salaries, and other advertisement gives us a total of 1,800. Now you come to the credit side, balance brought down liability. So in our question, there were no creditors, no loans. Remittance, we have cash sales 5,000. Cash from debtors was what, at 5,000. So when you total this, you get 40,000. Then reserve, we come to reserve. How much is the reserve? 4,000. Remember the reserves that we got for opening. Goods sent reserve 8,000. And then we have goods return 1,000. Reserve for closing is 5,000. And then reserve for return is 2,000. Balance carried down in terms of assets. We have stock. We have debtors, which was not there, but now it's there. Then we have petty cash, which is 200,000. Now, when you total this side and the other side, you get the total. After getting the total, then our net profit will be the same as what we got in the stock and data system, which was 13,700. So that brings us to the end of